It's quite easy. Even if you don't know it, all you have to do is repeat after me. It goes like this. I'm gonna walk, and you guys go, gonna walk. Then we go, won't quit until I get. Then together we go, to the bottom of your heart. Gonna walk, won't quit until I get to the bottom of your heart. You got it. Folks, look around. Anyone who's not singing in the choruses is a racist. I've been sitting at the border of love when dots connect and there's an order above. And there is no one that can touch me. And it's the same thing coming again. I feel I gotta say I'm gonna walk.
I've always had a soft spot for a dimension. I don't know whether it's speed or looks. There's always a place for a dimension. Our subject for today's video, however, stands out from the crowd. It's a Dimension E521 with an AMD Athlon 64X2, unlike any of the other Dimensions in its lineup. In this video, we're going to be seeing what it can do with its 7300 LE graphics card with 128MB of RAM and the 3GB of DDR2 that I've put into this machine.
Some road it's tricky, and girls enjoy, they feel so lucky. Loving it quits, running out that door, calling their mom while they lick that floor. How the funky monkeys talking walking stores, they're lost side and rolling like a rapper record. Who can believe that there would be some gold with those worms like I said before? They try, say no, they try, no, no. Mama, don't you let you know where they ride, they're so for that. They try, say no, they try, no.
So in the end, I believe this video proves that you don't have to have a fancy expensive computer to get into some low-end gaming. As long as you don't turn the settings up too high and don't play anything too demanding, a Dimension will always be by your side. I'm Owen, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Be my own corner, whoa, whoa. Oh, isn't it beautiful to see two people so much in love? Bare naked as two virgins, hand in hand and hand in glove. But now that I'm far away, it doesn't seem to me to be such a pain.